Going down the walking trail, Tennessee, on the outskirts of the Tennessee River. And man, if I tell you it's peaceful out here, country and quiet. But man, I wouldn't want to be out here around Halloween, so I'm glad we're heading back to Texas here pretty soon. Whoa. Sounds like old blue tick hound over there in those woods. You hear it? Let's see what lies ahead just around this bend. Stay tuned, y'all. Well, now ain't that just pretty? Look at that. It's nature at its finest. Nothing like the great outdoors. Cherish every moment of it.